Hey guys, Marie here. Today I'm going to talk about affiliate marketing, more precisely how to make money with affiliate marketing. By the end of this video, you're going to learn how affiliate marketing works, how to become an affiliate marketer, and how to be successful at it. You're going to learn how to start from scratch, and I'm also going to give you a few examples with different niches and platforms so you have a better idea of how it works. So let's dive into it. So let's start with defining what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is promoting someone else's products, brands, or services and earning a commission on the sales that you make. So the affiliate commission is determined in percentage. So you're going to earn a percentage of commission on a sale that you make on any product. So the highest price the product is, the highest your commission is. Being an affiliate marketer means that you're the person promoting those products or brands. Now, to make money with affiliate marketing, you need to become an affiliate marketer and get an affiliate link and start promoting products so people buy them and then you can earn a commission. So to become an affiliate marketer, you need to join an affiliate program. Not every brand has an affiliate program. That means that you need to do some research. So a brand has an affiliate program if they allow people to become affiliate marketer and promote their product with them. Now there's two ways that you can search for affiliate program. You can make a list of the brands that you love and search individually in their website to see if they have an affiliate program, which I recommend. There's another option that I recommend as well, is to join affiliate networks. An affiliate network is like a bank of thousands of affiliate programs. If you join the network and they accept you as an affiliate marketer, then you can navigate their bank and find brands that have affiliate programs, and then you can apply to each of these programs if it fits your niche and what you want to talk about. Once you've joined an affiliate program from a certain brand, you're going to get your own affiliate link. This is a tracking link, so the brand recognizes that you recommended the product. For example, if you recommend a product to someone and they purchase that product using your link, the brand is going to be able to recognize that you are the person who recommended the product, and that's how they know that they need to pay commission to you. Once you get your affiliate link, if you want to make money as an affiliate marketer, you need to let people know about those products and to share your links. So promotion can come in any possible way that you can imagine to share these products. Your biggest efforts doing affiliate marketing is to promote your links, promote your products, promote yourself. Because joining an affiliate program and getting a link is pretty easy. But getting people to discover about your products, about you, about your links is the hardest part. Let's start with the simplest, most basic way that you can promote something that you love: word of mouth. If you know that in your environment there are a lot of people interested in the same topic as you are, you can start just by talking about it. And the people who are going to be interested, well, with them you can share your link, and if they purchase, you're going to earn a commission. When you have no experience in content creation or blogging or any online media whatsoever, I think it's a very good way to start getting familiar with how affiliate marketing works. The second way to promote your affiliate links is through social media. The more you know your audience and what your audience likes, the more successful you're going to be with affiliate marketing, because if you know what they like, then you can recommend products that you know they're going to be interested. Even if you're not really active on them, it's never too late to start. Now, with social media, if you want to build a sustainable strategy to do affiliate marketing and earn a recurring income, talking about what you love, I recommend choosing one platform on which you're going to start and put your efforts in. It can be Instagram, it can be a YouTube channel, it can be a blog, it can be a podcast, or you can do it on Pinterest, which is a really underrated platform, by the way. Once you've chosen the platform that you love and that you think you're going to be successful with, it's time to build a content strategy. Now, I'm not going to dive deep into how to build a content strategy because I could talk for hours about that, and this is for another video. But if you want to be discovered and make affiliate marketing sustainable source of income, you want to create content consistently. So don't make the mistake of thinking that you're going to post your affiliate link once and then you're going to suddenly earn a ton of commissions. The biggest misbelief about affiliate marketing is thinking that once you get your link, you just put it somewhere and you don't have to do anything, and then you're going to earn commission because people are going to click on it. People need to discover about your link. Successful affiliate marketers promote their links consistently. They cannot stop recommending their product. They might promote the same products a few times a week. They might promote their blog post which recommends their products a few times a month. And that's why you need a content strategy. It can be email newsletters, a YouTube channel, a blog, a podcast, a TikTok account. You can do it with your Instagram. But if you want a sustainable strategy, you need to grow your audience, know your audience, and start gaining traction around a topic or niche, so people start getting interested in your products. Here's an example or an application of affiliate marketing for a blog. Usually when people find blog, it's because they go on Google, type in a question, and find a few blog posts that answers their questions. If I have a question and I type in on Google, how to do a homemade garden, I'm gonna find a bunch of articles. I'm gonna click on one that seems to answer all of my questions. Then I'm gonna read that blog post. And if I find it really useful and I'm ready to start my garden and they recommend certain products, I'm gonna say, wow, that's exactly what I need. I'm gonna click on the link and I'm gonna buy the product that they recommend. So without even knowing who wrote that article, I might be finding myself buying the products that they recommend and helping them gain commissions because I was interested in gardening. Now here's an example of how affiliate marketing can work with an Instagram influencer. If I'm a travel influencer on Instagram, my topic is all around travel destinations, solo travel, safety around travel, travel essentials. Say that I join a program that promotes travel insurance, which exists, by the way. So you have an audience that's already interested in travel. You want to promote the travel insurance, so you can promote on your Instagram many different ways. In your stories highlight, making a feed post once in a while. You can promote a travel insurance as a must-have essential safety tip when you travel. The same goes for YouTube. I just gave an example of a blog, an example of Instagram, but say you are a YouTuber and you talk about how to use AI in your business. For example, your audience is already interested in AI and business. So you might join an affiliate program promoting an AI platform that have a paying subscription, which means that members pay a monthly fee to use the platform. You can make a whole video review about that platform that you just found that is amazing, talk about the features and how it can help the business, and then recommend that platform on your YouTube channel. Wherever else you want to promote your content, it can work. No matter the platform that you choose to promote your affiliate links, affiliate marketers or successful affiliate marketers all have these in common. They have a niche, which means that they specialize or talk about a certain topic that is more or less precise. The more precise, the better, because it's going to attract people that you know are already interested in the topic you talk about. Let's take the YouTube example that I just gave. AI for business. This is a niche in itself. So you can create a lot of videos talking about how to use AI for businesses. You can niche down in travel. You can niche down in solo travel for women, and that's your niche. And the power in this, in having a niche, if I take, for example, the solo travel for women, is attracting exactly the people you want to buy your products. So you're going to attract women and people who are interested in solo travel. So every successful affiliate marketer has a niche and a content strategy, which means that if they want their content to live on Google, on YouTube, for a long time and be discovered well after they've been created, they need a content strategy to create a lot of quality content, so the algorithm recognizes that they are an expert in that topic, so they push their content and they end up ranking top 1 or page 1 in search results. The more your content is discovered, the more potential your affiliate links have to be discovered and for you to earn a commission. This is not a strategy to get rich quick. This is a strategy, this is a sustainable strategy to become an affiliate marketer and gain an income with it. Now, if you're interested in affiliate marketing and becoming an affiliate marketer and talk about what you love, there are two approaches that you could take. You can start with high ticket affiliate marketing or low ticket affiliate marketing. High ticket affiliate marketing means that you're going to promote products that are highly priced and you're going to earn a really high commission. And low ticket affiliate marketing is the opposite. There's no right or wrong approach. It just really depends on what type of products fits you and what type of products you want to promote and how you want to do this. Typically with high ticket affiliate marketing, you're going to sell a lot less products, but you're going to earn a higher commission. So you're not going to need as many sales as with low ticket affiliate marketing to earn the same income. It just means that your promotion efforts are going to be different. Typically with low ticket affiliate marketing, you're going to earn a commission that's really low. So to make good money or an income with affiliate marketing, you're going to need volume. So you're going to need a lot of traffic or page views or to sell a lot of the same products to make the same income. So your earning potential with affiliate marketing is limitless. It only depends on how much effort you want to put in promoting your products, because there's no limit in how many affiliate programs you can join. You can join them all if you want, but as we said earlier, you can have 1,000 affiliate links. If you don't promote them, you're not going to make a dime. So it really depends on your content strategy and how much effort you put into this. One thing is certain, you need to start somewhere, you need to learn, and there's a certain learning curve, and that is why it's not a make money quick thing, but there are affiliate marketers out there who earn a full-time income and more with affiliate marketing. If you're totally new to affiliate marketing and that video was the first time you ever heard about it, I recommend that you go see my other video, which is a tutorial on how to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. It takes under 10 minutes, and starting today, you can become an Amazon affiliate and start learning about affiliate marketing and promoting your links. It's very easy to join and it's very easy to start with. I recommend every beginner to start with that because everyone knows Amazon. There is a bunch of products you can find on Amazon, so you can literally just find your favorite brand there and start by talking to your friends about it. Now, if you already have a website or a blog, I recommend that you start by joining affiliate networks. ShareASale and Awin are two very big and known affiliate networks that you can join. They have a lot of brands on there, so I would start there if you want to find some brands to work with. And again, as I said earlier, if you already have some brands in mind that you want to promote or that you know would fit your niche or what you want to talk about, I would go directly on their website. And usually if you scroll to the bottom of the website, in the bottom menu, you'll see affiliate program, become a partner, something along these lines. So you can click on it, and usually they have a form or they'll explain how to join the program. If you don't find anything as such, just search on Google. Type in the search bar the brand affiliate program, search that, and you'll know. Some brands just don't have any, so that's another way to find brands to collaborate with. Good luck!